Okay, so this is partially an intro and partially a test, because for the first time, I'm actually using my brand new camera, which is fantastic, and now I can actually see myself. It is very distracting, but anyway, so, oh yes, it has a remote, it's incredible. So what I'm going to be doing today, I have a friend coming over in about an hour and a half, and we're going to be doing our video together. So, I hope she doesn't mind me doing the intro without her. I wanted to test the camera, I wanted to make sure it was doing okay. I did a couple of tests and it looked a little rough, so I hope this works. Anyway, yeah, let me know what you think of the camera. Let me know if you think it sounds good, sounds better. I do have a microphone on it, so hopefully it will be alright. It doesn't have as wide of a view as my old camera, but we'll try it out. Anyway, so, me and my friend, we're gonna make boats. I have a load of craft stuff. Oh, it's all over there right now. But I have a load of craft stuff. I'm gonna put it on the table. We're gonna sit down and we're gonna make boats. Welcome to quality content. So anyway, let's go. We're here. Okay, this is friend. Do you want to introduce yourself or do you want it to be a big secret? Because you can
I don't mind, really.
You can introduce yourself to like the 3 people who don't actually already know who we are.
Hi, my name is Dearbhla.
I'm my friend. I have friends!
Yeah. I need to get my phone ready. Okay,
we're making boats. She is the timer ready.
Okay.
I think I explained this slightly earlier. We're gonna make boats. We have 10 minutes. She is a timer. When she starts the timer, we're just gonna, I don't know, try and make a boat. Then we're gonna try and make one float or something. Alright, you ready?
3, 2, 1, start.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I'll take care.
Okay, I'm just gonna take care.
Don't copy me! Oh, don't have scissors.
10 minutes still going. Wait, okay.
Oh, I forgot about this thing.
Oh, what? She wants to tell me. Straws! Oh,
I found some glow sticks in my room, so we have glow sticks now. I know, that's gonna be like a flag. I can make a flag out of glow sticks.
Do you have connectors?
I do have connectors.
That's the bright thing you've had all day.
Was that a pun? I don't know how to make a boat. How do you make a boat?
She hasn't done her research, folks.
Why shut up. Oh no, this is gonna be so bad.
That's an airplane.
Shut up! I have methods.
Airplanes. Scratch this and make it for airplanes.
No, we've got this. I think I'm going to just give up. No, I can do this.
Are you sure?
No. I'm going to just...
This would be so much easier if I could use this. But I'm being nice and I'm not using this.
Why don't you use it?
Just because I get to do like this. Done. So. And we have 8 minutes left.
Oh god. Okay. We have so much stuff. We've got, as you can tell, we're doing incredibly well. We both have very functioning boats. They're incredible and no one can tell us otherwise. Have you just got a piece of paper called? We should have just learned how to make origami boats. That would make so much more sense.
Okay.
But we're smart, so we can do it. Don't say anything. Mine is just a box. It's a box.
Well, I probably just copied you, but still I have it.
You're literally just copying.
Well,
are you gonna make me start again?
No, I won't.
I wanted to make it somewhat triangular because that's how boats work, but it just didn't happen. So
remember we were like, whatever class, we made both out of okay.
Oh yeah,
they were like terrible.
They were terrible.
They worked though.
Well yeah, that's because they floated and that's all they did. I didn't
Well, that's what the aim of the game was.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Help. Help.
If you did like a live stream.
Oh my god, I don't know, I would love to do a live stream, but I know I would say some really dumb stuff, so I'm not.
Why did you bring me up here? Because I would have said something.
Because I can edit. I need to do this. How long do we have left?
5 minutes.
Oh god.
I'll just tape the whole thing.
I'm gonna cut this here on I did it. I am so smart.
As so.
Are you with me?
It's back. You went back. I'm really sensitive, by the way.
She's terrible. She's gonna, her boat's gonna sink, and she's gonna be like, why did you do that to me?
Well, I'm sorry, I thought the electrical like. See, I'm not copying you. This is like.
Yeah.
Like, what does this look like?
A box. It's a box. You should have just used the box.
I know.
I'm gonna use tape. I'm gonna use some sort of tape.
Now who's copying who? Oh, you're using tape. Oh, smart.
Stop copying me.
My God. I'm just. Can I not say smart? No. No. No.
What?
I said, can I not say that it's not a smart idea? No.
Sound like you're copying me.
Dog!
There's a dog barking very loudly.
Yeah, the window's open, so that's why. Oh,
I should close it.
You really should.
I should close it. I'm gonna close it.
Okay. Oh, you're wasting time, so bye! I bet you're gonna get such a fright now when the thing goes.
Well, you're gonna get scared by the alarm.
Yeah!
Beep. Oh God! How you doing over there? Your boat.
Shut up.
I am making my boat entirely out of paper and tape.
I'm just. Like, hurry to this. I'm joking. You know what? I should just do this. Because I decided. Oh, okay.
I feel like I should probably do something like. Oh my God! What the fuck?
Okay, wait. Okay. This is not going to plan. Is this still off? I can bet that is it. Oh shit!
Oh God! Alright, turn it off. So the 10 minutes is up. We gotta now just let. Oh.
You have to waterproof our. What happened?
Turn here. Let's show the camera. Okay.
Oh no!
So this is my boat. I got it's kind of boat shaped, and I covered it in tape.
Wait, this is my boat. It's a tray.
It's a paper tray.
It's see, look. Their resemblance is uncanny.
Just to be clear, this is an empty apple box.
This is my boat.
She folded up and she.
Okay.
Well, mine's basically already waterproof, but
Mine's
okay. So for yours, we have some stuff. We have these things here.
Oh yes.
They are types of glue, but they're more like sealants.
I was wondering what they were gonna say.
There's loads of different types of them. So it's up to you which one you want to use. Some of them may be better than others.
Sparkle!
Yeah, but you have to make it waterproof too. I don't know whether these are actually going to waterproof it or not. So
I will take paper.
Alright, I'm gonna just check these. What these are is they are small tubes of Mod Podge, which is a type of glue / sealant. But there's
same, is it?
No, there's different types. This one is a gloss. That one
is a sealer glue and
it's sparkly.
Woo!
So that's the difference. So
and this is a matte.
I don't need them because I covered mine in tape. But
But how do I put these on?
I'll go get a paintbrush. Dearbhla's just basically just gonna choose which one to use.
I'm gonna use the sparkly one. I do not care. Wait.
I'm kind of hoping she picks the wrong one and messes up even worse than she already has.
But this is a water-based sealer, so.
It's up to
This
you.
is, I think, the sparkly one, folks.
Entertaining. I'm gonna go get a paintbrush.
Okay. Subscribe to our TV channel. You know? I'm just gonna sit here. But like, look at this. Like, look how beautiful that boat is. Oh, she took her boat with her.
Were you trying to sabotage my boat?
Yeah, where'd you put it? Oh! Oh my God.
You were gonna sabotage my boat. You're like, oh no, but she took it with her.
I was gonna hide it. It's right there.
I hid it from you.
It's right there. Right here. Jesus. Okay. Entertain them while I do this. Your
No,
video.
no, I'm gonna just stare at you. I don't know about that. I should do that.
Do you mind?
Yes.
Go away. It's sparkly. Come back. Look. Come back.
Sparkly?
Yeah.
Are you telling me that the sparkle glue is sparkly?
Would you ever? But like some of them like they're not. They say they're sparkly, but they're not. Do you get me? They're like really.
I think that's
sparkly.
false advertising. I'm pretty sure that's illegal. Oh. What? Oh.
I'm such a child. And I'm 15.
You are 15 years old. Can you not keep the thing on the paper? Well, don't drop it on the floor. While she's doing that, I'm gonna go fill the bathtub, and we're gonna try and make these float. So we're gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, we in the bathroom.
We're going to fill up the bath.
We nearly finished filling up the bath, just for dramatic effect.
Do you only want to phone because it is your video, and you can't really, you can only see me, so.
That's fine, I'm here. Alright, we get in the bath. We've partially filled up the bath. I'm trying not to waste too much water by doing this double thing. But we got our boats over here.
You guys remember my sparkly?
Well, our boats. So
Sparkly.
what way were we gonna do this? We're just gonna see who lasts the longest.
Yeah, do we time it or?
Do you have your phone?
I do.
Alright, we're gonna time it and see how long our boats last.
I could have just used my phone pen.
And who's lasts longest. Okay, here is my bathtub.
It's a very nice bath.
Here is some water.
Woo!
We're gonna put the boats in it. Have we got the timer?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Will they float? I'm not flying around a bit.
I'm not fine with that.
I should have put something in the bottom of it. So mine's back there. It's surprisingly it's working. Kind of. This is Dearbhla's.
Let's keep knocking them around.
They're floating. They're not much of boats, but
They're working. And the waterproofing is working. There's not water coming through it. Nearly going on a minute.
ooh, we doing pretty good.
Yeah.
I think this just proves that we're geniuses and we should both become boat engineers. Boat makers. Boat makers. Like, what's your profession? I'm a boat maker. Okay.
Oh, we're going on nearly a minute and a half.
I don't think they're gonna sink.
No.
They're doing pretty good.
Should we put something in it and just like, we put the
I think I have some Lego figures somewhere in my room. Hold on.
I'll keep you entertained again.
Yeah, you keep entertaining.
I don't think I'm in frame, but anyway. This is me playing with both. Jesus. Show me fake motion. No, we should have a fake motion. 2 minutes!
Okay. Oh, we forgot about the glow sticks. We gonna put the glow sticks in now. I'm gonna turn off the lights.
Ooh, we should do these first though.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna turn the lights on.
I break these, yeah?
On this. Yes, you did. That's come on.
Is it bad we're wasting all of these glow sticks? Do you need more?
No, but like they've been in my room since last Halloween, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna turn off the light now.
Why?
Those are glow sticks. Are you ready? And to glow. Woo! Woo! Wait, put one in the bottom of the boat. Put one in the bottom. Like, right in the middle. I brought little Lego figures. We're gonna just put them in the boat because we can.
Okay, let's just throw everything in.
Yeah, just literally just dump them in the boat. Just dump them in the boat. In the boat! Look at the size of the boat. There are 2 boats and she puts 2 of them in the water. It is entirely your fault. As you can see, there's a whole party in here. I didn't make a joke! We said at the start, before we started recording, that we were sure she was going to make a Titanic joke.
And I did. I wasn't even afraid.
Well, you called it a joke.
When you laughed so.
I laughed.
No, wait. We have to make it Titanic. We have to make something to do with Titanic. Roshi's boat loses. Thank you.
Alright, so we're back in the kitchen for hit the scissors, yes. Obvious success, incredible video. I've surpassed PewDiePie.
Did you do this video?
No. Well, okay. I have mentioned Mark in a couple of my videos. I believe I've mentioned Unisonus. I came up with this idea before they did the thing with the boat. No one knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, no, she doesn't care. First, opinion on first experience of being in a video.
It's actually really fun.
We had fun. Stupid video, did bad. Both failed, obviously, because we had all of this stuff here. We have craft wood and stuff like that,
There's
and
wood.
both of us used paper and tape. But
I still regretting that paper choice. I should have used that big lazy box.
we should have done 15 minutes. We should have done
half an hour.
2 months. Make a real boat.
Really?
No.
You're
Obviously
saying
not.
that after I said I'm a boat maker. You're saying okay.
Hopefully everything wasn't too bad. It may be echoey in here, it may be echoey in the bathroom. I apologise.
I'm sorry for Roshin's echoey kitchen and bathroom.
Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Hope you've enjoyed them. Thank you to any new subscribers. I think I've had 3 new subscribers in the past couple of days. Thank you. I appreciate it. This is really fun. Ridiculous, but really, really fun.
Thank you, Roshi, for letting me.
Thank you, Dearbhla, for coming down and joining me. I forced her.
I will put my Instagram and stuff down in the description box.
You will. You'll put. Yeah.
No, Roshi will. I don't know how to edit or anything like that. But I always want to go in the description box. I always have to go with that. But
it'll be down in the description below.
What are we at?
Yes, like and comment if you want to see Dearbhla come back. I'll probably make her come back because
I'll be back. Whatever you say, I will be back.
Just I'll force her. I'll kidnap her or something. We'll stop rambling. Thank you for watching. Like it if you like it. Subscribe, please. It'd be really nice of you to do that.
Do subscribe.
More ridiculous videos coming. Goodbye.
Bye.
What if we make like one big
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We're so stupid. You should be back.
I will.
This video gets a lot.
If this video gets 1 million likes,
I'll come back.
can I even see what we're doing?
Probably not. We're just bullying each other.
This is my boat. It's incredible.
Down, don't go too far.
You want to fight? Do you want to fight right here?
Yeah. We're supposed to go in the water. We're saying.
Put them in the boat, put it directly in the water.